Hi, Al Yelvington here again. Short product review. New product. It's called the Lepai model LP-269FS. Now, it's like the other Lepai product that I reviewed, but different. And it's an improvement. It's not perfect, but it's an improvement. First and foremost, they have gone through, the American importer has gone through no expense whatsoever to translate the manual. So it's still in standardized Chinese, which, unless that's your native tongue or you're trained, the manual is useless. Possibly the spec table might be some use to you. If you've looked it up on the web, the rated power is false because the power supply that comes with it can't deliver the rated power. I haven't tried it with the external power supply because I don't listen to stuff that loud. But if you're going to want to crank it, you're going to have to get a better power supply. I'm thinking if you get one of these adapters so that you can put in automotive accessories from your car in the house, those put out 6, 7, 8 amps. That will probably give you enough filtered power that you could run this thing at rated power, but no joy. Other spec it has is it is designed to drive 2 sets of speakers, so it has 2 speaker jacks in back. And in addition to RCA inputs, it has RCA outputs. I'm not using them. I can't speak to whether they're great or not. I'm not going to try and take pictures of the back because it's up here on the wall, but I will show you the features that I think are noteworthy. The singular biggest change on this product, as he climbs the ladder, it has a digital display. And right now, they did not improve on the multimedia where you can skip folders. You go one song at a time to skip, but at least you have a readout now to tell you which song you're on. So if you know you want to start on song 50, well, at least now you have the benefit of being able to click, well, 9:41, you know, I'm jumping and you can see it going through. That's kind of nice. Okay, secondly, if you change mode, I have my internet radio receiver running on it on auxiliary. And the other thing that's kind of nice is on the radio, you can see the frequency. It still stores the way they used to. A feature I haven't checked on the other one, though, is if you want to go to a channel it didn't quite get, using the advance and backward buttons, blick and blick, you can dial manually, which is not something I really discovered on the other one since it has no display. You can't see anything. So it's a nice little unit. You still have bass treble power. You can course set the volume, and then you're going to manually set the volume from the remote. It uses the same remote. There's no new functionality. They stay with the same chipset apparently. And you have front panel controls for what you want to do to kind of mimic what the remote does. And that's nice if you put it down. It begs for rubber feet if you're not putting it in a vehicle or something, just so you don't scratch up, but maybe you don't care. It does take a multimedia secure digital card, and I've got a USB pen in there right now, thumb drive, call it what you will. It's a 32 gig, it has no trouble addressing it. So for the money, I think it's a good unit. This is worth paying extra for. I'm not so sure about the styling of the case, but I want it to be discreet up here on the top of a cabinet, so that's fine. The display is really worth it, so you can tell where you are, especially with channels on the radio and the like. So that's the Lepai model. What is this thing again? It's not even printed on the front. Well, anyway, that's it. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and it's a nice unit. You know, I don't think it's a waste of money. Talk to you later.